In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. For this method, we need both a VPN service and a mobile phone number from a country that accepts ChatGPT like the United States. First, setting up a VPN. Most VPNs require a paid subscription, but they are worth the price, and most of them have cheap prices that you can get by using coupon codes that you can find online. As you can see, some of them include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and you can find a bunch of other VPNs available in your country by just looking into Google for reviews. After you set up a VPN, either free or a paid one, you need to get a phone number. In this example, getting a phone number from the US. If you have any family members that live abroad and they can give you their phone number, that is the quicker way to do it, and you could ask them, or even friends. If you don't know anyone that lives in the US, you need to use a website like Zadarma.com that allows you to use a virtual mobile phone number from the United States. If you get the mobile phone number from the United States and the VPN working at the same time, you can go back to the OpenAI website where you may now sign up running the VPN on the background of your computer and inputting the phone number from the US. If you input all of this information while running the VPN, the website is going to allow you through and then you can use its services. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.